We will give you our emergency news, hot news, all time latest and hot news. Danamide Bremo. Bryan Acheampong will be there. Okudzeto Ablakwa MP for not long. So with me, Kratabia document goes why intercepted now. Omo file. 2023 returns and now Okudzeto so file no work. And now Bryan Acheampong will be there. Now Okudzeto produce ASR document. Now so na people and similar meaning now. Mr. So we can subscribe to the channel now. Mr. Say over subscribe. What do you say over click the subscribe button. Now a belly notification. When a new video be also on sa ever can be. I feel we are now like the video. Give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer for us now we need now work. I feel young go and send me. Bryan Acheampong, a great minister over there. Okudzeto about this Okudzeto intercepted document PR. No, na hearing Nigeria Street Hotels here, Bryan and so to be a acquaintance and be one year the multi cheaper Tiano. No, people say, or no, I intercepted Bryan, so Bryan there must say almost was Hankatan or dang why head Trasapo, no finery or the better. The no Okudzeto LP or Net2 TV or this Hankatan in a baho, a better say yes, or Casse, Ninsaka be an actress and Ninsaka or Nina Eba. Now, catch a Bryan said, oh, Diana will name finery. Adia me yema the interest of Ghanaians in Ghana. The name me personal engineer dear me here or die. And they will do the assembly nara and the tuga. You probably a year some of the beauty and some of the tuga abroad this 100 in our welcome in some yard. Yet in some or the tuga.
Now I want to directly respond to the challenge that he threw after the demonstration, and I've seen that it's gone viral. A lot of folks have shared it all over the place. He has dared me. The Honorable Bryan Acheampong has dared me. He says that I have not intercepted any GRA filings. I wrote down the things he said. That I haven't intercepted anything. Nothing. That he has nothing. He's just lying, or you're truthful. That I have nothing. Nothing I've intercepted. That they haven't even filed anything at GRA. And that all I'm pursuing is hate. That's the crux of his submission. That I have nothing to show. And he has dared me to produce what I claim to have intercepted. He also added that if I'm able to produce those filings I say I have, he has a Trasago house that he doesn't use. He says he bought it in 2014. He doesn't even use it. So he's happy to donate it to me. And he said that's not enough. He's so confident that I don't have anything. He added a hotel. And let me state for the record, I think he missed his bearings. He said, Akosombo Hotel in my constituency. You know, and some people have sent me messages say, oh, when he came to your hotel, to your constituency to buy a hotel, you didn't tell us, you didn't talk about it, you didn't protest. But he's doing it in Accra and you are making noise. Let me state for the record that Akosombo Hotel is not in my constituency. It's in the eastern region, in Esojaman, the Esojaman constituency. It's next door to my constituency. From Esojaman, then you use the Adome Bridge, and then you enter Agyapong. But it's not in my constituency. And it's quite revealing. I didn't know that the VRA has sold Akosombo Hotel to him. So we are grateful that he has offered that information. So, Doc, I can this morning, exclusively on your show, produce the filings at GRA. I want the Honorable Bryan Acheampong to know that when I say I've intercepted something, I've truly intercepted. And he should have been following me by now, that I don't talk about things that I don't have. When I say I've intercepted, I've intercepted. So I've been generous to make copies for the Honorable Agyapong, so you know that I am not.
Is it for onward transmission?
Oh, it's for the show, so that Doc, you can also have yours. Yes. So
what is this?
I hold in my hands the filings of Rock City at GRA. what the Honorable Bryan Acheampong is saying, I don't have. So when I said that I have the filings, I have them. And here they are, giving you copies. Now, if you come with me to, let's analyze the documents. I'll do that quickly. I know we don't have much time. Come to 2021, and I've marked them so that it will be easy. Let's start from 2021.
Hold on.
Yeah.
See, some of these things...
He challenged me.
Oh, wait. I've opened the document.
Yeah.
You make statements that put people's reputation in jeopardy. And you fall in trouble. Page, assuming that this was even authentic. I don't have a problem at all. This can never be accounts, annual returns. Yeah, because that's the only time that you make a determination about the profitability or otherwise of a company. You file your annual returns with your audited accounts at GRA and, of course, Registrar General's Department. You are holding withholding tax credit forms for January, withholding tax credit form for February, withholding tax for, according to him, 2020.
Take your time and study the document.
And these are tax filings.
Of course,
operating income.
2024 has not ended.
No. So let me proceed. Let me proceed.
Anyway, if the Honorable Minister for Agric is watching, I'll bring him a copy so he can take the requisite action on this.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's why I brought you a copy.
For some time.
Can I? You have your turn. You know the format of the program. You have your turn to speak.
Right.
So,
Randy.
So don't shift the goalpost. The Honorable Minister for Food and Agriculture says that I have not intercepted anything. I don't have anything from GRA. I don't have the filings. Here are the filings. The taxpayer alleges of Rock City Hotel. The tin is there. The corporate income tax declarations and all the other payee and the withholding tax and all of that. The full documents from 2021 to 2024.
We're still in 2024.
Yes, we're still in 2024.
So first quarter 2024.
Yes. And so in 2021, if you come to 2021, on the 12th of March 2021, first quarter, Rock City.
Sammy, brotherly advice.
Rock City filed returns.
Just give us.
Please. I have been there.
Yes.
I've been there.
I'm giving you a brotherly advice.
You can keep your advice. Don't worry.
Give us like a summary.
Yes,
2021. What is the point you're making?
Yes. So 2021. 12 March 2021, they posted returns that they said that year they will make losses. So when we talk about the loss making Rock City, 2021.
I think it's the last.
So 12 March 2021. Then 2 years later, they return on the 9th of March 2023 and do a debit adjustment that they had 2 withholding taxes, which came up to 20,782. And that's all you have for 2021. So they themselves told the GRA on the 12th of March that year they will make losses. Then let's come to 2022, when we say that if you compare the books of Rock City with Labadi Beach
But
Hotel,
where did they say they will make losses on this document that you are informing the public about?
have you seen
This
12 March?
2021, 12 March, it says,
Process returns.
wait.
Yes.
Process returns
Yes.
for 2021.
Yes.
0.
Yes. 0.
And that's informing GRA that they will make losses.
Yes, that there will be no profits. Yes, for the year. You can go and consult an accountant. We have done that. Our accountants have looked at these documents, and that is it. That is the fact. Yes. You said I didn't have anything, isn't it? Yeah, and you did. Then let's come to 2022. 2022 is very, very interesting. Again, in 2022, as for 2022, there were no filings at all, if you notice. No filings at all. Then I break this news. I go to Shraj on the 17th of May. I broke the news here on this show. The following week, they rushed to the GRA. So you see here, 23rd May 2024, that we now want to come and make do our tax obligations for 2022 for 2 years ago. So you have it here, 23rd May.
2022, by the rules, you have a date to file.
Yes, they should have filed by June of 2023. Okay. They didn't.
So if they filed for 2022 on the 23rd May of 2024,
by the rules, they have to pay a penalty.
I understand.
Yes.
Well, what I want to find out is, how then did they have a tax clearance in the...
Brilliant question.
Yes.
I was coming there.
Okay, all right. Yes.
Brilliant. Okay. So it means that when they put in the bid, they clearly didn't have a tax clearance certificate.
Maybe they had.
Yes.
Maybe they had, but the GRA they must explain. They must explain
how. Brilliant question. You know. So you see here that after my expose, they go to GRA 23rd May 2024 and say, oh, we will post losses. We made losses for 2022. Then they went back again the same day and said that no, we are changing that fact. We believe that if you process the profit we made, we can pay a tax liability of 395,000 Ghana cedis. Bizarre. And so on that 23rd May, they are then asked by GRA to pay a penalty of 4,390 Ghana cedis. Very, very bizarre. Okay. The question that follows is, so according to the SNET statement that was put out on the 19th of May, a copy of which I have here, if you look at the timelines, they said they started this process in 2018, got a transaction advisor in 2018. Then they started the bid for the hotel purchase, the tender for the sale of the hotels in 2022. So you hadn't filed your taxes for 2 years. How did they get a tax clearance certificate to participate in the bid?
When you get to, sorry, have you moved to 2023?
I'm coming. I'll be coming there.
Because I have a question to ask.
On 2023.
Yes.
So for
are you done with 2022?
Yeah. So 2022. Okay. It was after my expose that they hurriedly rushed to GRA and they went there twice. First they say, oh, we made losses in 2022. Then they went back and said, no, the way the trajectory, the way this MP is going, we made some profit. So they amended the records. And they were fined. This is the penalty that they paid, 4,390. So significant developments after my petition to Shiraji. Now let's come to 2023. The 2023 filings. For 2023, they filed on the 20th of April 2023, first quarter, after first quarter, that they will make losses that year. So for last year, they said that they will make losses. They don't anticipate that they will make any profits. And it's here. Process returns for 2023, reference number C00064468833. So when I said that what you have told GRA about your operations last year is that you will make no profit, and you are now going to buy a Labadi Beach Hotel making a profit of 158 million, it should have been the other way around. Labadi Beach Hotel is more profitable. I was speaking to the documents. I was speaking to the intercepted filings and the GRA. Fact. And it's here. Now come with me to 2024, this year.
No, before you go to 2024,
yeah,
I have a question.
Okay.
So if you look at the 2023 filing,
yes,
2023,
yes,
you would see, I see something here which suggests that the last thing that was done as far as 2023 was concerned was the 10th of April 2024.
Yes.
As far as the filings of 2023.
Yes.
The last one was on page 614, 10th April 2024, which is a withholding tax credit. Have you seen that?
Page 6.
Yes, 6 of 14.
Yes.
Have you seen that?
Yes, I've seen
that. So for 2023, by the 10th of April 2024, they've done their filings. Not so?
Yes.
So that was the latest date.
That's the latest date, yes.
This is for the year 2023. Not so? The year 2023. So by 10th of April 2024, that of 2023...
No, this one is for withholding tax.
Yes.
Not the corporate income tax.
Yes, but I'm saying that this for the year 2023.
Yeah.
This was the last transaction with the tax office.
Yes.
10th of April 2024. Not so.
Yes.
For the year 2023.
Yes.
However, when you come to the year 2022, a year earlier.
Yeah.
A year earlier.
Yeah.
The filing was 23rd May 2024.
Yes.
Later than the filing for 2023.
Exactly.
Okay.
Brilliant.
That's just the the thing I saw.
Yes, yes, and you're right.
Okay.
Because for 2022, they were not bothered at all. Okay. They didn't do anything until my strike petition.
So
then they
went
strike.
to do for 2022.
Yes.
When they had even finished 2023.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Nice.
And then when you come to 2024, again you see that by 31st March 2024, they had informed GRA that we
That's
don't. Q1, yes, that we don't expect to make profits this year. That's what they told GRA. Then after my petition to strike, they go back 24th May 2024 and say, oh, do a debit adjustment, do an adjustment for us. We think that things are looking good.
24th May of what?
24th May 2024.
They go and do an adjustment for which year? First quarter
for the year.
First quarter 2024.
Yes.
So that's which date?
24th May 2024.
Which date did they go to do the adjustment for 2022?
The same 24th May. So they were very busy that 24th May.
All right.
Very, very busy.
Okay.
So look, the Honorable Bryan Acheampong should. He's just muddying waters for himself. So that Trasacco house and the hotel. I'm tempted to go for it, but I really don't want anything from him. Maybe the displaced people in my constituency will be upset with me that we could have gotten a hotel and a Trasacco house for them to go and stay in. But I'm not doing this for personal gain. It's not about me. It's about Ghana. But you see, from all the doc, you have been following our work. I always share them with you. I mean, even cabinet memos we intercept. Even you, I remember when we were in power, sometimes we wonder, hey, how did Randiabe get these documents? Woyome, you were the resource pool. You had everything. I'm sure as soon as the Attorney General signs a document, Finance Minister signs, you have it. So, don't know Bryan Acheampong bragging and screaming that, oh, I dare him. He doesn't have anything. Even cabinet memos. People have it. National Cathedral, when they told the whole country that they were not using public funds, how did we expose them? We intercepted the documents. Recently, AFCON, when the sports ministry was treating AFCON like some nuclear code, didn't I intercept the documents? So I don't know who advised him. Now his Trasacco house and his hotel are on the line. I mean, what kind of recklessness is that?
Yo, for winning, someone Okudzeto Ablakwa editor to the MP for Nocton and Bryan Acheampong there and say we need Kratabia. Our person will intercept the Queen of Boa. She be any one and Okudzeto approve and say yes, in Saka Kratana. What did you mean at Tuga? The cows GCD and our ring, so we now subscribe. Let's just say always subscribe. No, like it. Now I share video. I'm off over so ain't been our work. Also with me actually what a fire and some women are home. I will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.